Hello YouTubers. Now this clock, I know I haven't done a clock video in a while, is another bird clock. This one's a little different. Someone else has done a video on this very same clock, except this one is bigger. This is a 13-inch. As you can see, it's the Mark Feldstein and Associates Wild Gamebirds of North America clock. It's got the green rim, like most of these bird clocks do. And it's, well, what more can I say? So without further ado, let's do the sounds, shall we? So, for 1 o'clock, you've got the mallard. Two o'clock is the mourning dove. We're... 3 o'clock is the ring-necked pheasant. 4 o'clock is the American woodcock. 5 o'clock is the northern bobwhite. 6 o'clock is the Canada goose. 7 o'clock is the California quail. 8 o'clock is the ruffed grouse. 9 o'clock is the wood duck. 10 o'clock is the Wilson snipe. 11 o'clock is the green-winged teal. what could you have a Gamebirds clock without for 12 o'clock for wild turkey? I was going to comment when, 2 o'clock with the mourning dove. Weird choice, but I guess you can eat pigeon and dove. They call it squaw, but it's not common. You'd think it would have something like, like the Gamble's quail or something, but they sound very similar to the California. And I also have an Audubon clock to the left of that hanging on my dresser, like on the wall of that. And I actually found 2 new clocks I want to add to my collection. The meowing cat clock with a black rim and a dog one with a black rim, both of which are 13 inches. And I'm thinking of getting them on Prime Day, which is July 12th, if anyone is interested. So, that's the video of my clock of the wild Gamebirds.